Okay, I think I need to end this drama here. This is a follow-up video of my last video. If you haven't watched that video, you should watch that and come back here, and then you'll understand everything. This is a channel who stole some of my videos and I made a video on that. So that's that. Simple. Now, owner of this channel probably watched my video and then he made this video just like 7 hours ago. It's a apology video. If I translate, it's an Arabic original. Okay, I don't understand anything what he says in the video, so I asked for help in community page. So luckily this one guy, Ali39, thank you, gave me some explanation what he says in his apology video. So it turns out that he is not apologizing to me or any other creator from where he stole the videos. So he's basically apologizing to his followers that he was not publishing continuously, plus he was republishing his old videos and was stealing content from the others. So he accepted that. Good thing. And the reason why he was doing this, he said that he was ill and he had a weak immunity, and he didn't explain everything about his illness. So that's what I understand so far from this guy. Thank you so much. So it doesn't matter if he is ill or not. He still doesn't get right to steal videos from others. His apology is for like he's trying to gain sympathy. That's all. Maybe he felt a little bit badness deep inside. He actually deleted some of the videos that he stole from my channel. For example, this one, this was about the Windows 11 ARM, and he removed it. But one of the other video that that I own is still in his channel. This is that video. I think he's still trying to find the videos that he stole from my channel, so I'll give him time. So if you're watching this right now, delete all of my videos. I mean, if you're ill, I feel bad for you. Get well soon. Okay, that's all I can say. But still, you don't get a right to steal from others. From my side, I just end this. Okay, I don't want any drama or nothing like that. Just delete my videos from your channel and hope that other creators won't find you their videos on your channel. I can't do anything about that. But from my side, it's end. There are a couple of videos still on your channel. You can I can show you right here. Delete those. All right, delete those, and that's it. That's all I want to say. If you don't delete those, I'm gonna have to do something about it. I'm gonna do it in background. I'm not gonna come up like this and make a new drama. Yeah, I'm just gonna focus on my own channel and make tutorials for my viewers, because that's what they want, and that's what I have been doing from like ever since I started the channel. So yeah, if someone can explain me this video in brief, please do it in the comment. I'll be very thankful. And yeah, we are not going to talk about this anymore in our videos unless it gets really bad. Yeah, so yeah, that's it from me. I'm just gonna end it here. Okay, it's too cold. I'm out. Bye.